How to create dynamical scoped variables in Python. I am translating some code from Lisp to Python. In Lisp, you can have a let construct with the variables introduced declared as special and thus having dynamic scope. See this URL. How can I do likewise in Python? It seems the language does not support this directly. If true, what would be a good way to emulate it?
I feel justice is playing right in his reasoning here. On the other hand, I can't resist implementing proof of concept for still another programming paradigm unnatural to Python. I simply love doing this. Smile. So, I created a class whose object attributes are scoped just like you require, and can be created dynamically. As I said, it is just in a proof of concept state, but I think most usual errors, like trying to access a variable inner scope it is not defined at all, should have errors raised, even if not the proper ones. Index error due to a stack underflow instead of attribute error, for example. "2020 update", another similar question showed up, and I crafted a hack that needs no special namespace objects, but which resorts to using inner things from CPython, like updating the locals to actual variables. This URL works with Python 3.8.
Here's something that works a bit like Lisp's special variables, but fits a little better into Python. You can use it like this. The effects of end.let last for the duration of the with block. Note that if you use threads, you'll definitely want a different underscore stack for each thread. You could use threading.local to implement that.
The Python idiom corresponding to Lisp special or dynamically scoped variables is thread local storage. Here is a good discussion. What is thread local storage in Python, and why do I need it? If you want to fully emulate Lisp special variables, including the let statement, you can use a context manager. Example, patently silly, but it shows the reentrant feature.
Dynamic scoping considered harmful. Don't use it, don't emulate it. If you need to emulate it, define a dynamic underscore scope module to emulate this behavior and import the module in all source files. This module should have methods begin which is called in the first line of your functions that use dynamic scopes, and, get, and set. The get and set methods should implement looking up the call chain for variable names where the call chain is implemented by begin and end. Then refactor your code to eliminate dynamic scopes.